Do you ever wonder how much equity you've built up in your home? A lot of people don't realize just how much they have right now, and you might be in for a pleasant surprise when you find out. Check this out. Americans are sitting on a tremendous amount of equity today. The two green parts of the chart show how about 2/3 of homeowners have at least 50% equity right now. Here's why that's such a big deal. When you sell, you can use your equity to help you buy your next home. You might have enough to even cover some, if not all, of your down payment. Actually, depending on how much you have, you could potentially pay for your next home in cash. If you're worried about affordability today, this might be just what you need to feel more confident about your move. Want to know how much equity you've got and learn some tips on how to use it? I'm here to help. I can create a professional equity assessment report just for you. It'll show you how much equity you have to help you get ready for your next move. Let's get in touch today.